Welcome to the Ownership Review, where we do a bunch of maintenance to see what this car is like to live with on a daily basis.
Here are the high points of the 2009 Pontiac G8. The front wiper blade is easy to change. Other models will require the use of tools to change your wiper blade. Changing the engine air filter is no problem, as you only have to disengage a few fasteners for access to the filter. These fasteners are easy to disengage. Both the interior fuse boxes are easily accessible behind easy-to-remove covers. One of the boxes also includes a fuse puller for your convenience. Not everything is perfect. Here are the pain points. You will have to remove the air filter housing for access to the headlight bulb. Other models will not require this step. To access the cabin air filter, you will have to pull up a large panel in the cowl of the vehicle. This panel is tight to the vehicle and can be tough to pull up. You will have to peel back the wheel well lining for access to the fog light. This lining can grow tight to the vehicle and be difficult to peel back. Overall, the 2009 Pontiac G8 is a moderately difficult vehicle to maintain and is only recommended to those capable of vehicle maintenance.